Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about my skincare routine, and if you want to see how I keep my skin looking great. Actually today I broke out with some pimples here and right underneath my eye, but hey, even at the age of 59 you get pimples, at least I do. So if you want to see how I have discovered some new items to help me look nice and fresh in the morning, just keep watching. And while you're watching, make sure you click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so as we get older, we're trying to find new ways to keep our skin looking fresh and vibrant. And Lord knows they had a lot of stuff on the market. They got wrinkle cream, they got cream for under eye cream, they got cream to tighten your skin, they got a bunch of stuff. But we have to at least get something that we can do almost every day. And this is what I've been using, and I went ahead and was sent this new set from Duvolle. It's the Radiant Skincare System, and I wanted to try it out for a while, so I went ahead and I purchased one, as well as them sending me one, because I want to go ahead and give my subscribers a chance to utilize this system. So I'm going to be giving this one away free, and my puppy is in the video with me. Yes, you are. Just to tell you what I did, this system is water resistant, and it comes with 4 brushes, and I'll show you the brushes in the system here. So I generally used my system in the shower, because that's usually where I start my skincare. After in the evenings when I come home, I generally just use a wipe to take off, well, a couple of wipes to take off my makeup, and then I will go ahead and sometimes jump in the shower, or I just brush my teeth and I just get in the bed. So in the morning I generally kind of use the face cloth, and then in the shower, and I wash my face. So for the past couple of weeks I have been for the past week rather, I have been using this Duvolle skincare system, and it has 4 brushes. They have a facial exfoliating brush, a large body cleansing brush, and a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. And Lord knows we need the pumice stone, because sometimes we get that roughness around our feet, our balls of our feet, where we need to give ourselves a little pedicure at home. We don't want to go out, or we going to the beach, or we can't get an appointment, because on Fridays those salons are super crowded. So sometimes we have to smack that polish on, use this pumice stone, and get to going. Most of the sets that I have seen don't include that pumice stone, so I was impressed that this system does have it. And ladies, I used it, and man, it was awesome. I even used it on some skin that, sometimes we get some little rough patches of skin on our balls of our hands. As we get older, that just happens. And I even used that on some of the balls, little calluses on the balls of my hand from my wedding ring and other stuff that you sometimes get that. I used that on that, and it worked fine. The large body cleansing brush, oh my God. As an African American woman, you know that ash is a real thing. You know it is. And in the summertime, I don't know about you guys, but summer to winter, my skin has the audacity to peel. I don't know if you're having that problem, but I have that problem. And let me tell you, this brush takes that ash off, because I'm in Arizona. Arizona has hot water. And tell me, ash is a real problem. So if you live in a hot water state, you know what I'm talking about. This body cleansing brush helps out with that. I use it on my legs. It's not hard. It's fairly soft. It's almost like using those little brushes that people buy in the store, you know, to get their backs and all that stuff. I use this thing to do my legs after shaving. It was just absolutely awesome. It's like a little massage thing going on. Ladies, it's just great. It helped, they even have body cleansing, exfoliating body cream. You can use that brush to kind of put that on while you're in the shower. Give yourself a little, you know, extra for that. But yeah, so I use that for that. The facial cleansing brush, I use that after, when I first get in the shower. I use that just with plain water and a little bit of soap or cleansing facial foam. I use that to kind of take the makeup residue off. And then I've been using the facial exfoliating brush with my exfoliating cream. I have a new one that I've been using, and I will put that one up here somewhere. It is awesome, ladies. I'm telling you, it leaves your face feeling fresh. And it may not be new to some people, but it's new to me. I picked it up while I was in the store, and it has been wonderful. I would tell you to, if you don't do anything else, pick that up and pick this up. It's going to be something great for you. I find that the product, if you have sensitive skin, it may irritate you. The exfoliating brush may irritate your skin just a little bit. So you might not want to use that brush. It is soft, but if you have delicate skin, which I do not, so it's not going to bother me. And if you're my age, your delicate skin is gone. Trust me. You want to pick this. You want to pick this set up. And listen, they gave me a 70. This set is normally $95. That is pretty much what I paid for the one that I purchased. But they gave me a discount code that you guys can use to go ahead and purchase this set if you want to, and that promo code is 70HIGH, and I will put that in my description box. You want to go and pick this up. I'm telling you, it is going to do wonders for your 40 and over skin. Even if you're not 40 and over, listen, you want to pick this up, and then you want to pick up some nice new products to use with it and give yourself a spa day. Even if you get in the bathtub, girl, this is going to work. So make sure that you pick this up. It is going to do wonders for you. I absolutely love it. And I am going to put the rules for winning this set that I have here. You're going to need to follow Duvolle on their Instagram page. And listen, they gave me this to review. This is not a paid review from them. I'm just telling you what my thoughts are on using it. I wanted to make sure that I was real when I made this video. So I went ahead and purchased one myself so that I can experience what you guys would experience when you purchase it. My purchase set I got within a week, and that's always important, that when you pay for something, girl, I'm waiting for that thing to come. And they were excellent on their customer service. I called just to find out a little bit about the set. They give you some wonderful instructions in the box. And it's nice and sturdy. Make sure you get some batteries though, because they don't give you no batteries, girl. You got to have some batteries. And I know you got some. Don't be playing. I know you got some. So The rules are you have to go and follow Duvolle. You're gonna love following them. They have some beautiful women on there that are going to show you how they use their curling sets, because they sell curling wands that are fantastic. I haven't tried them, but I have read some of the reviews and watch some of the videos. You're going to want to go ahead and follow them on Instagram. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and that is about it. And you just have to leave a comment when you subscribe to my channel, hashtag Duvolle, and you are going to be entered. This is only going to last for one day. I'm going to go through those that have followed them Duvolle on Instagram to make sure you are on both pages, and then I'm going to pick a winner from there, and I will contact you. So make sure that you leave your email address or some way that I can contact you to send you this set. So thank you for watching. I hope that you will try Duvolle in one of your skincare routines, because it is absolutely a must that at our age or at any age that you take care of your skin. Skincare routines have skincare genetics have a lot to do with how your how you grow old. But remember, if you are not taking care of your skin or taking care of your body, it will show. So this is one way that you can go ahead and do that. It's for the whole body, not just the face. Ladies, this is something that you need. There's a lot of sets out there, but this can also compete with the best. And it's 70% off. I mean, that's like 28 bucks or so that you're going to be paying for the set. You can afford that. Girl, that's a trip to McDonald's with the kids. Treat yourself to something nice. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so you're notified when I upload a awesome video. And as always, mwah, kisses, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, I'm going and getting in my pool, so you will see that's why I'm wearing this. I'm wearing one of my bathing suits that I picked up last year. So, girl, it's like 103. So, see you later. I'm getting in the pool. See you later. See you later. And I will go ahead and say hi.